Climate change is real, and it's time to change for climate change. Our unsustainable way of living is slowly killing the earth, and if we do not stop anytime soon, then this lush, green planet that we so dearly call home will become a barren wasteland that can harbor no life. Droughts, forest fires, and floods, these are all causing the earth to become more and more uninhabitable. But there's still hope. We can still reverse these changes by incorporating a few small changes into our lives. The first is through recycling more. Now, recycling is actually a lot easier of a task than a lot of the major companies out there make it out to be. And it does not need to be a major part of your life. It can be a small part of your life that you do on a seldom basis. And over time, you can incorporate it into your life more often. But the main thing about recycling is if not one of us does it, but if all of us does it. The second is through lowering your meat consumption. Now, I know that vegetarianism and veganism has been on the rise lately, and a lot of high quality meat substitutes have flooded the market. But if you swapped out a few meals per week from being meat-based to plant-based, then that would already have a huge positive impact on the environment. Plus, it would also save you a bit of money as well, because meat-based products are usually a bit more expensive to buy and produce than plant-based products. The third is through lowering your greenhouse gas emissions through transportation. Now, I know this seems like a very daunting task, and it sounds like you have to incorporate so many drastic changes into your lives. But it just means that if it is convenient, if it is comfortable, and if it is easily accessible, that you use public transport instead of private transport. Now, aside from all these solutions, this climate crisis issue is very personal and very dear for me, because I love mountain biking and I love exploring trails, but I'm seeing every single day that these little pockets of pristine nature are getting worn away. So I'm imploring every single one of you out there to do your bit so that we can work together towards a greener, cleaner, and more sustainable future. Because it's time for us to change, for climate change.